Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. If one dedicates his life for Krishna, Yatha Krishna Pita Prana, Tat Purusha Nisivaya. Tat Purusha. It is impossible to dedicate our life to Krishna unless we serve the devotee of Krishna. Tat Purusha Nisivaya. You cannot approach Krishna directly. That is not possible. You have to go through his devotee. Therefore, Krishna sends his devotee. Go and deliver. It's like Dhruva Maharaj. He did not know how to achieve the favor of Supreme Personality of Godhead. But on account of his eagerness, he wanted to see God. Because he is Kshatriya, that his mother said that God can only help you, my dear son, if you want to become king of the throne of your father, better position, then only God can help you. I cannot help you. It is not. So he was determined, I must see God. So he went to the forest, but he did not know how to approach God. A boy of 5 years old only, he has got the determination. So Krishna saw that this boy is very determined, therefore he sent his representative, Narada, go and train him. He is very eager. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Guru Krishna Kripaya Paya Bhakti Rata. He can enter into the devotional service by double mercy. One mercy is Krishna, another mercy is spiritual mercy. Therefore here it is said, the same thing. Krishna Pita Sat Purusha Nisivaya. One cannot be Krishna Pita Prana. One cannot dedicate his life to Krishna unless he has gotten the mercy of spiritual mercy. This is the way. You cannot get direct. That is not possible. Narottam Das Thakur says in many of his songs, Chariya Vaishnava Seva Nistar Peche Keva. Without serving Vaishnava, who has got liberation? Nobody. Tadero Charana Sevi Bhakta Sane Bas. Janame Janame Mar Eyo Vilas. Narottam Das Thakur said that I have to serve the Gurus, Sanatana Goswami, Guru Goswami, and live in the association of devotees. Tadero Charana Sevi Bhakta Sane Bas. Narottam Das Thakur said, Janame Janame More Eyogi. Our vilas, ambition should be how to serve Krishna through the disciplic succession, Guru, and live in the association of devotees. This is the process. So we are opening so many centers all over the world. This is the policy, that people may take chance of associating with devotees and the chance of serving the Vaishnava. Then it will be successful. Therefore here it is said, Bhakti Yoga means not only dedicating life to Krishna, but also to serve the Vaishnava, Tat Purusha. Tatpurusha means to serve a person who has dedicated his life to Krishna. Two things. Dedication to Krishna and dedication to the devotee of Krishna. So in this way, if we advance, then it is very easy to become free from this material contamination. That is stated, Nathatha Jagavan Raman Kuyeta Bhagyadi. Bhagyadi is general process, but it is very, very difficult, especially in these days. So if we simply take this course that dedicate life to Krishna and dedicate life to Vaishnava, then our life will be successful. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.